All right, guys. Just checking in with you guys, posting a video, kind of what you're going to expect to do this week. Also reminding you, last week's assignments were due tonight. I know it was a Google Forms doc that you guys probably aren't familiar with, other than this is the first time. But once you click submit, you need to go into Google Classroom and click mark as done. Else, I can't see in Google Classroom. I'm holding you accountable to this, else you're not going to get a passing grade on it. Like I told you, we are grading your assignments. So you need to go in and click mark as done once you've submitted it. So if there's 23 kids in your class, I can see on my Google Forms that I have this many responses, but it doesn't match on my Google Classroom. I need them both to match so I know you are doing your job. This week we'll be keeping on going with modules 26 and 27. We're focusing on South Asia. You will need to be able to access your online textbook. And I'm going to show you the different modules you'll need and what we're going to be doing this week. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay. So our first assignment will be a Google Docs. It'll just be your vocab. So it's going to look like this. And you'll be able to save this page to your drive and then click it and add it and then submit it. So all you need to do is worry about the definitions. Don't worry about the visual examples because obviously you can't draw pictures when you're doing them on your computer. You'll just have to type in the answers on there when you make it your own. Okay. So our next assignment will be a cultural web, and it's going to look a little different than our normal web that we have. I just gave it something easier for you to type on. So I have the directions for you. You just go on your online textbook, and in modules 27 lesson 2 and modules 27 lesson 3, you'll be able to give 3 examples of all of these. This was normally when you had those circles. You can see module 27 right here in your textbook. You just click this, and you just be able to click lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. So here's lesson 2, view resources, click open student ebook. Click it, this will pop up, and you will be able to just click in the arrows and read it as you go. And then you can do the same thing for lesson 3. Module lesson 3, right there, click resources, go through the process again. That'll get you everything you need to know for this cultural web. Once again, once you're done with it, you attach it in your Google Classroom like we've done in the past, like when we've done our slideshows. You'll save it, attach it, click mark as done, and it'll show up on my page. And then our last assignment, this is our natural resources one, which you're very familiar with it. You'll be able to make this your copy. All you have to do is go in and fill in the blanks. And then for this one, it's just module 27, lesson 1. So same thing, go on to your book. It'll be in the lesson 1, module 27, view resources. So everything you need this week is right here in module 27 in your online textbook. And the easiest way to do it is probably just right away, just click student ebook. And this will pop up and it'll be at the beginning of lesson 1. And then you can just keep clicking through it to get through. Or another way, click contents, and you can see all 3 lessons right here. So if you just want to go right away to climates and resources, pretty simple. Or when you go to India, you can talk about the culture. We're talking about culture right there. That's what you can do on Tuesday. So really simple. Just make sure you're focused on clicking on student ebook when you get to module 27. It'll give you everything you need for basically all this week's assignments. See here, just go back real quick. Okay, I did see that I have tomorrow you'll be doing vocab. On Tuesday, it'll be cultural web, and Wednesday will be natural resources. Then I'll give you Thursday, Friday to also work on the stuff and get them in there. I think everything's due Friday this week. So make sure you're working on it. I know most of you have been. Look out for my, I'll probably do another video just to check in with you guys. I'll also be on Zoom tomorrow about 9:30, 10 o'clock for an hour, and then again in the afternoon, probably right after dinner, 12:30-ish. Just if you want to stop in, ask any questions, show me. You can always go on and I can see your screens. You can show me what you're doing. just to have any questions at all. Also, you can always email me. But I hope all you guys are doing well. And like I said, stay in contact. So that's what you're going to plan is this week.